Okay, so I found something pretty amazing. So how could I not show it off? This is a Parfait vending machine. Cause like, hell yeah, why not? Parfait vending machine. All right, we're gonna try it. Let's get the money out and we're gonna try it out. I got $8 at Parfait, but it's in a vending machine, so totally worth it. So put the money in, and which one do I get? There's so many choices. Choices. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 26, 39. How do I decide between all these identical items? It's not easy. Alright. I'll pick this one. Yeah, let's take it. It's a drink? Better not be a drink. $1 drink, did I? I don't know. We got my change here. All right. It's got info on there and shit. Oh. Spoons are here. Okay. Let's go. Let's try. Let's go. Let's try it out. Right here is fine. Okay, pull tab. Yep. Alright. Ah! It keeps falling. Okay, cool. Pull this tab and then open it up. This thing is hella cool, dude. Looks delicious. Let's try it out. Okay, let's get the camera going ready correctly. This way is better. Looks like cream, strawberry, cake, bread. That's really good. Perfect flavor. Okay. Definitely worth $10. Yo. This is awesome. Good. So good, I might have to buy another. Really good. Oh yeah, that's good. Might buy two. That's really good. Oh. Damn, that's a good Parfait. What the hell is it? Cake? Parfait? I don't know. That's good. Well, I said I'm out. Man, I'm a fast. From buying it to finishing it. Took 4 minutes. Alright, that's the last of it.